On the basis of the construction of production possibility curve, today we are going to learn about shifts and rotation of production possibility curve. We'll learn when production possibility curve rotates and when it shifts. PPC can shift both ways, rightward or leftward. The rightward shift of the PP curve indicates the increase in the resources or productive capacity of the economy. In this situation, production possibilities of both the commodities will go up. On the other hand, the leftward shift of the PP curve indicates the decrease in the resources of productive capacity of the economy. In this situation, production possibilities of both the commodities will come down. And in rotation, it happens when there is change in technology or decline in resources with respect to only one good. Therefore, there can be two types of possible rotations, that is rightward and leftward, on both the axis, x-axis and y-axis. Let's elaborate about the shifts first. Rightward shift in PPC. It is important to note that increase in resources implies increase in both quantity and quality of resources. As we know that rightward shift occurs due to increase in resources. So quantity of resources increases when there is inflow of foreign capital, increase in labor force, etc. And quality of resources increases when there is skill development of human resources due to increase of educational and training institutes or schemes like Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana or improved hygienic conditions due to Clean India Mission. Even all the kinds of education campaign are included under this. Improvement in technology. When technology improves, the production potential increases. That is, the economy may be able to produce more output using existing resources efficiently. So here you can see in the diagram, the curve shifts from AB to A1, B1. This is called the rightward shift. Leftward shift in PPC. Leftward shift in PPC is due to decrease in resources and degradation in technology. It is a rare possibility, but sometimes it might happen due to fall in population or destruction of capital stock caused by large-scale natural calamities, war, etc. For example, destruction of resources in an earthquake, flood will reduce the production capacity, and as a result PPC will shift to the left from AB to A0, B0. When technology improves, the production potential increases. That is, the economy may be able to produce more output using existing resources efficiently. There is technological degradation also. So when technology becomes obsolete, the production potential decreases. That is, the economy can now produce less output using existing resources. So this is the second type of shift in PPC from AB to A0, B. Next is the rotation in PPC. Rotation in PPC can be on both the axes, so on x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, it can rotate rightward and leftward, which is also called outward and inward respectively. And it can be on y-axis as well, which can also be in two ways, that is outward and inward, which is also called upward rotation and downward rotations respectively. First is rotation on x-axis. As you can see here, rotation on x-axis can be rightward and leftward. That is on point B. So PPC rotate rightward from AB to AB1 due to growth of resources or technological improvement for commodity X only. And PPC rotate leftward from AB to AB note due to decrease in resources or degradation of technology for commodity X. So when there is rotation on x-axis, it is only due to the respective commodity and it can be rightward and leftward. Second is rotation on y-axis. PPC rotate upward from AB to A1B due to growth of resources or technological improvement for commodity Y. And same way, PPC rotate downward from AB to A0B due to decrease in resources or degradation of technology for commodity Y. So, on y-axis also, it can be rightward and leftward rotation, which is due to resources and technology. So, today we have learned that PPC can shift and rotate as well. And the main reasons are the changes in resources and technology. So, when both the axis changes, then PPC shifts, and when only one axis changes, then PPC rotates according to the type of good.